Algorand is currently rated number 46 and has a market cap of approximately $882 million. It's interesting to see that Algorithm has a 24-hour trading volume of about $48 million, which gives it a big presence on the market, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. As we look at some interesting price data for Algorithm, first of all we see that Algorand was able to keep a certain level, which we knew was important for its success. Then, as we expected, there was a push to the upside. We also saw a break above the 200 EMA exponential moving average. In our previous analysis, we talked about how important it was to get past this level, so it was nice to see it happen. However, things have taken a different turn and we are now seeing a break below the 200 EMA, which is not good for algebra. We wanted to see the price stay above the CMA because we were sure it would set the stage for a big bull ISH move. That would take Algorand to new heights. Still, despite the current setback, there is still hope for a period of consolidation before another surge. While the break of the 200 EMA may not seem too bad right now, we should be careful and keep an eye on possible consolidation and momentum building. This period of consolidation is important because it lays the groundwork for future upward momentum. Indicators like the overbought condition and the Z-score indicator point to the need for a cooling off period before the next surge. Thank you for watching and have a nice day now. Let's talk about Ethereum. Not only has Ethereum grown a lot in the last week, but it has also grown a lot in the last day. This shows that the market and investors are positive about Ethereum. Ethereum is a stateless blockchain platform that lets smart contracts and other apps be made without a central server. dapp's original cryptocurrency, Ether, is used to power the Ethereum network and run smart contracts. As a pioneer in blockchain technology, Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community. The Ethereum network has changed how we think about and use digital contracts. Decentralized apps and even initial coin offers, ICOs, can be used to raise money. Ethereum is one of the most important applications in decentralized finance. It can be used for supply chain management, identity verification, and much more. DeFi platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to provide financial services like loans, yield farming, decentralized exchanges, and the creation of synthetic assets. As people look for decentralized alternatives to traditional financial systems, the growth of devices has made Ethereum more popular. Due to their compatibility and longevity, collectibles and intellectual property rights can be used with Ethereum. As Ethereum continues to grow and change, its future looks very bright. The planned Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's move to a proof-of-stake consensus method, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This change has gotten a lot of attention from the cryptocurrency community because it could open up more growth opportunities for Ethereum. The fact that it has a value of 1920 and is very interesting also makes it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. The importance of Ethereum's environment as a key driver of innovation and decentralization cannot be overstated in the cryptocurrency community. Ethereum is used in many areas, such as decentralized apps. As BTC rises 2% in 24 hours, buyers are wondering what this could mean for the future of the market. The question is, does this rise mean that now is a good time to buy Bitcoin? In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how more and more large companies are adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. He said that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem, and he predicted that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, there may not be a solution that works for everyone. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians. From a technical standpoint, he knew that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple helped make mobile crypto transfers work. Some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, may be better off giving their possessions to someone else. Saylor said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate Bitcoin because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways to integrate. The price of Bitcoin has been $29,366 for the last 24 hours. On CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin worth $6.1 billion has been bought and sold. Bitcoin is number one and has a market value of $571 billion. There are currently 19,455,681 BTC coins in circulation, but only 21 million BTC coins can be made. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin's basic picture hasn't changed, nor has its support level, which is around $2,920. BTC is currently neutral because it is unlikely to go above $2,600 in the next 4 hours. However, if there is a bullish breakout above $2,600, BTC could hit $3,200 and out. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees a growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not exist. Saylor said that there are 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs guardians. Saylor agreed that some government systems might make it necessary to use third-party guardians. On the technical side, he knew that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple helped make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that some people, like the old or people who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, might be better off giving their things to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will be used in different ways and that the market will be able to adapt. Political point of view. Some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate, because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally determine the best mix of ways to integrate. Price of Bitcoin. As of right now, the price of Bitcoin is $29,366. In the last 24 hours, $6.1 billion worth of Bitcoin has been traded. On CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is at the top and has a market value of $571 billion. There are currently 19